This video is about how to use a voice changer
to sound like Kasane Teto in real time,
during gaming and online chats.
chatting and singing with someone on Discord using the Kasane Teto voice, leaving the other person surprised by the reaction.
Enter real-time voice changing mode. Then use the search bar at the top left of the software to search for Kasane Teto and download the AI voice effect. Click on the voice effect to start changing your voice and adjust the pitch for changing from male to female voice. Raise the pitch by about 8 levels.
If you can hear me, congratulations! You're now part of the Teto squad.
No matter how hard or impossible it is, never lose sight of your goal.
People live. People die. It's the natural order of things.
How to use the voice changer in other software for streaming or online chatting. Simply select EaseUS VoiceWave as the input device for voice chat in Discord, Roblox, or Twitch.
Hello, what you doing?
I'm stealing all your pancakes.
Wait, why pancakes? I don't even have any.
Then make some right now. Speedrun mode.
It's midnight. Who makes pancakes at 3 a.m.?
Legends do.
And that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, hit that subscribe button,